Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my Instagram makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So before I start my makeup, I'm going to be applying the Moroccan Magic Lavender Vanilla Lip Balm. This is super nice because it has essential oils and it's also cruelty-free and organic. And this just preps my lips before. That way I can add a lip gloss or something at the end. I'm going to be applying the Wet n Wild Matte Primer because I do get oily sometimes. Moving on to foundation, I know this foundation is probably going to be too dark for me, but I really like it and I use it during the summer and I somehow can make it work so I can use it in like the winter and summer. So this is the Body Body BB Cream. My favorite product ever. Guys, I'm so pale. I need like a spray tan or just like something because like my skin's super sad right now. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm applying the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. So I just brush up like so. Ooh, look at those bushy brows. And I basically just draw a line underneath. I'm very impatient with my brows, but I try to keep them as natural as possible. Yeah, that's basically how I like to do my eyebrows. Very simple. Pretty easy. I have like hair right here and then no hair there, so it's unfortunate, but yeah. I'm gonna do this other one off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so yes, my eyebrows look very bushy right now, but I want them to show through my bangs, so that's why they're kind of big and full. Anyways, so for my Instagram makeup, it's basically just my everyday makeup look. I pretty much wear it all the time. I'll probably do another video of me doing my everyday makeup. I'll probably be using different products, that way it'll be a little bit different and you can see what else I love to use. But this is what I do for my Instagram makeup. I like to keep it pretty natural just because I want to be real and I don't want to change it too much to how I look in real life, if that makes sense. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. Almost out. Yeah, just gonna go under my eyes like that, and above on my eyelid, under my brow. I'm very messy with it. Down the bridge of my nose. I get red right here, so I'm gonna add some right there, there, and I'm taking this foundation brush and blending it out. I stopped using a beauty blender just because I felt like it was leaving my skin patchy. It just wasn't doing what it was supposed to. Maybe it's because my beauty blender is so old and I'm too lazy to spend like 20 bucks on a new one. Next, I'm going to settle that with my favorite setting powder. This is the finishing powder by NYX. It's translucent. I prefer this over loose powders nowadays just because it's less messy. Like if I totally took like a regular powder on my bed, it would be everywhere. So I just prefer to use this. And I just pat over my eye. I don't care if it gets on my eyelashes because if you put powder on your eyelashes and then put mascara on, it just extends them more. I learned that somewhere, but I don't remember where. I learned it like back in middle school, I'm pretty sure. So I like did that all the time. Except I would intentionally put it on my eyelashes. Moving on, I'm be adding my bronzer. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I got it because it smelled like a tropical island and I love anything that smells like a tropical island. I'm gonna take in this big powder brush and going ham. And it's okay to go a little dark. That way it'll show up on camera better. Oh shit. I added a little bit. I left a little bit too much there, but we'll blend it out. For my nose contour, I use this like blend, like this crease brush. And I think you just like am able to get like the tip of my nose. I need like full concentration for this. This makes me nervous, but to do it on camera. I just feel like it gets it in a straighter line because my nose has such a weird like arch to it. And yeah, there it is. Eyeshadow, I basically use my bronzer again. I'm using this little brush by Real Techniques. It's the base shadow brush. Back over top, whatever was left. And then do the same thing. That looks so weird. This is the base. So I'm gonna be adding just a little bit of bedazzle to it. So I'm gonna be taking this Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. And I'm gonna be going into the shade, oh by the way, I used, so I'm using the shade Cliffside View. Focus. This shade, and then I'm going into Route 1 as well. And this is the Malibu Free Spirit palette by Lorac, and I love it to death. It's my favorite eyeshadow palette. If I was to use an eyeshadow palette, most days I use a bronzer. But once I go into that little shade, it just adds a little shimmer, and I add it into my crease. And I also add it down below too. Like, are you seeing this? Focus. Okay. And then I'm going taking Route 1 and adding it just a little bit on the edge. Just to make it a little bit more dramatic. And a little down below. And blend it out with my finger a little bit. And that's all I do for eyeshadow. This blush by Milani, and it's in the shade Romantic Rose. I just scratched it. Super pretty rose color. It's like a light pinky mauve, and I just got it all over myself. I'm gonna be glowing into, I don't know what's wrong with me. What this like little whatever this is, contour brush, blush brush, I don't know. But I'm just gonna be patting like that. And little smiles. I'm so messy. I like to blend it in my bronzer. That's my chin, my nose, my forehead, everywhere down the neck, just to make it really blend out. Look fabulous. And then for highlighter, I'm using the Malibu palette again. And I'm using the shade Beach House and Afternoon Rose mixed together. So this shade, which is like a champagne color, and the shade which is more pinky. I'm mixing them. I feel like they complement my skin tone very well. And it looks really pretty on camera, but at the same time really natural. I'm going into my foundation brush again. Ooh, I should spray my face first. That might give it a better glow. I always forget to do this step. Okay. That's all for basically the face. I'm going into mascara, but first, I almost forgot, I'm gonna be setting my face. I like to set my face just because I hate the feeling of like sticky makeup. I'm going with my powder brush again. Oh, I dropped a brush. And I'm just gonna dab all over the face. Because I also like to tone down my highlight a bit and make it look more natural and blended. And with my curler and curling my eyelashes. And this is such an easy makeup tutorial as well. It's just taking me forever because I'm like talking out loud. Oh, and this is the Kush mascara by Milk Makeup. It's so old, I've had it for like ever. But it's like in this huge tube, so it's lasting me a while. Spray my face. Oh shoot, what is that? So I think today I'm just gonna wear lip balm. So I'm gonna put some more on. So this is the final look, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.